How to download Instagram app. First, open your phone's App Store. Then simply search for Instagram and then install it. Now just wait for it to download, and then once it's done, click Open. Now, we can create your Instagram account or log in on your existing account. In Instagram, you have to follow people to see their posts and be updated on their stories. They also have to follow you back so you can be mutuals. You can see your profile in the lower right corner of your screen, and now you can freely explore Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.